Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make a citation when you're using one of the district's databases. To get to the databases, from ccisd.net, you go to Library Resources. Tell it you'd like intermediate. And these are your choices. The two that we use most frequently are Gale and Facts on File, so I'm going to show you those. I'm going to start with Gale. Tell it which school you're at, so Seabrook. If it asks you for a username and password, remember those are available in E4. You have electronic resources and ebooks. They'll both work in a similar way as far as getting citations. I'm going to choose biography and context as our example. And on the main page, there are a lot of choices here, or I can search for someone. I'm just going to choose Frederick Douglass as our example. And as his articles pull up, you will notice on the right that you can actually choose what type of source you want. So if your teacher is asking you for periodicals, that would be news, magazines, academic journals. Most of the time, however, you're going to use reference. So I'm going to choose that, and I'll just pick the first article that comes up. And here is our article on Frederick Douglass. So as I take my notes, I can go through the entire thing, and at the very end you're going to see source citation. All that you need is this portion right here. It is in the correct MLA format. It has the hanging indent where the second line is indented. You can copy and paste this into your project and you are good to go. Now I'm going to show you Facts on File. It is just a little bit different. So let me click on this. And again, you need to tell it which school you're at. And we're going to use World Geography and Culture Online this time. So I can select a country. I'll just pick Australia as an example. And maybe I want to look at the history of the country, just an overview. And here's my article. At the very end, again, here's your citation information. That's all that you need, not the URL. But notice that this is not, it says MLA format, but it's not actually perfectly correct. The second and third lines need to be indented to be in proper MLA format. So when you paste it into your document, you can just go ahead and indent those lines and you're good to go. So databases, very easy. Your citations are going to be at the end of every article, so there's really nothing further that you have to do. This should be a very quick citation for you.